If someone you see has a gas problem in the stomach or the constipation, what we can do? There is not only asana that we learn in the course, there is not only asana, we have the proper lifestyle. We need to change something in our regular life. Maybe they didn't drink much water, so you must drink water. That is very helpful. They must eat protein and eat less carbohydrates and do some yoga practice in the morning with a specific asanas, and in the evening we have some another lesson plan for the gas and the constipation. And before sleep we have to do some Ayurvedic medicine, and it is very important to con everyone need to try this, all the beautiful knowledge about the yoga therapy. Now we have Chakki Sanchalan Asana, because normally if I will show you, normally we have a lot of detail with example. So that is it's work with every lesson plan, with every disease. So we need to understand everything that can help our understanding for ourself first, then you can improve your health, and then you can share this beautiful knowledge with the world. So make your understanding improvement and make your healthy body and the healthy mind. So many people has done the 200-hour yoga teacher training course, and in the 200-hour we have learned about the back therapy for back pain, and also about the shoulder pain, something like that, like very basic and very interesting to live our life as a yoga teacher. So you can be your own yoga teacher. You can start with the foundation, because knowledge is very important, and we never finish the knowledge, understanding the education. But here the therapy class, why it is very important? The therapy class give you proper understanding about your body. So you have finger lock. If you see someone has a finger lock, if you see someone has a office syndrome, shoulder pain or back pain, knee pain, or high blood pressure, low blood pressure, there are so many category of the disease. And here I would like to share some very useful technique and the knowledge from the 300-hour teacher training course, which is yoga for office syndrome, finger locks, knee pain, gas and constipation. The gas and the constipation, this is the like very common disease in the world, the gas and the constipation. So how we can remove it? Okay, I will go through this topic. So yoga for constipation, that is the lesson plan we learn in 300-hour teacher training course. We have to focus with our twisting asanas. We have to focus on our movement of our stomach. So Uddiyana Bandha is also good, and also there are so many postures that can help with the gas and the constipation. It is important, because if you gonna learn the yoga and for your own self, that will make you like normal person, like a normal people, that you learn for your own self. That is very good. But if you are a yoga teacher and you want to improve your health, improve your social status, and improve your knowledge and understanding, and improve your standard with the 500-hour yoga teacher license, so that you must join the 300-hour level 2 online yoga teacher training course. The investment for the course is not much. It's not worry about that. The worry about your understanding, that you want to learn or not. If you want to improve your knowledge, yes, you must join this course 300-hour, because this is the one of the best investment will be in your life. So that is the point, and it's very helpful for your future and for your career. Many people is only 200-hour teacher trainer, only 200. The maximum people has done the 200-hour, but very less percentage complete the 300-hour course. So it is a great chance for everyone. So let's come and join with me 300-hour. So I will be your guide, and then you will get the success until I can see your growth, and until I can see you will get success in your life. So have a good day, and let's see over here what is in the syllabus.